Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the WalkingPad Pro walking pad, a foldable treadmill that transforms any space into your personal gym with its ultra-thin design, easily fitting under desks or beds. This treadmill boasts a robust 300-pound capacity and comes ready to use right out of the box with no assembly required, featuring IML technology and soft LED lights to track your time, speed, steps, and calories. With its smart speed control, you can adjust your pace using foot control, a remote, or the KS Fit app, ensuring a safe and personalized workout experience. The A1 Pro is crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy, offering a whisper-quiet workout thanks to its EVA shock absorption and brushless motor, making it perfect for home or office use. Beyond just a treadmill, it provides a spacious 47 by 16.5-inch running area, allowing you to walk or run while working or relaxing. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, your fitness journey is supported every step of the way. So, if you're looking for a multifunctional and space-saving fitness solution, the WalkingPad Pro might just be the perfect fit for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.